Google launched Vertex AI about a year ago and made a big bet on low-code and no-code software development. But analysts believe the new release will allow the internet giant to finally make an impact in a highly competitive market. At the Applied ML Summit, Google Cloud announced that it would be developing its Vertex AI. This includes training reduction servers, tabular workflows, and example-based explanations aimed at helping customers leverage machine learning models more effectively and reduce reliance on trained experts. Their performance tests showed a 2.5x increase in the number of ML predictions generated by Vertex AI and BigQuery in 2021, and a 25x increase in active customers of Vertex AI Workbench over the past 6 months. Despite Google being in the game for 8+ years, Google is still not considered a serious competitor in the low-code/no-code market. Analysts believe Vertex could give Google another chance to engage its audience in low-code/no-code software development. With a value proposition of 80% fewer lines of code compared to other platforms to train a model using a custom library, Vertex AI positions Google in the low-code/no-code space. Google is still not yet ranked as the top low-code/no-code platform, but this improvement helps Google's positioning in the market. According to Gartner's Magic Quadrant for Low-Code Enterprise Applications, OutSystems, Mendix, Microsoft, Salesforce, and ServiceNow are some of the industry players. According to a report released last August, Google said they didn't belong in any of the 4 quadrants. Vendors such as Oracle, Microsoft, Salesforce, and Google all offer low-code/no-code solutions, but they are not seeing the adoption that their promises usually bring. In the future they hope to eliminate ugly coding and make it possible for anyone but data scientists and machine learning experts to write AI code. Low-code/no-code platforms build efficiency and are good for creating simple solution for easier tasks, but developers tend to go back to traditional development tools after using it for a while. The challenge is that most traditional LC&C tools have huge licensing costs and it still doesn't work well when you start to build some complexity into your code. All AI projects have 3 main aspects: a data layer, a data visualization layer, and an algorithmic ML, machine learning, layer. Most LC&C platforms work on only one of the layers. Google has powerful solutions such as BigQuery, Google Analytics, and Lucra, mostly used for digital cases. While most vendors are touting low-code/no-code programming as a means to reduce dependency on hard-to-find machine learning talent, analysts believe the bigger opportunity may lie in targeting SMBs that are looking to build simpler solutions. So far companies are more focused on the B2B market for low-code/no-code for attracting business users, but I think the biggest opportunity for low-code/no-code platforms is democratizing tech for SMBs and individuals. I think Google and Microsoft have better chances for SMBs. It is like the cloud market. It grew because of the initial AWS focus on SMBs and later it became an attractive proposition for enterprises. What are your thoughts about the future of low-code/no-code? Leave a like, share and don't forget to comment your thoughts on the matter. Smiley face. Bye bye.